Hello guys, welcome back to another one. Welcome back to the channel, and if you are a content creator and you are looking to monetize your video today, today's topic is very important. So welcome back to the channel. This is the source where I feed you with every information that you need to grow your YouTube channel. Everything I'm going to be discussing and sharing with us is going to be from experience. All right. So now the question is, can one AdSense account affect multiple YouTube channels? But first, let's answer the question that says, can one AdSense account be linked to multiple channels? Of course, yes. You can. YouTube allows you to link multiple channels to one AdSense account, and this is. But here's the catch. So, what happens if that AdSense account has issues? That's what I'm going to discuss about. So, if your AdSense account gets into trouble, like policy violation, maybe YouTube policy violation, your invalid click activity, maybe you're trying to do some activities that YouTube does not support, you're asking people to click, all of those things. Maybe you have a payment hold, or maybe you are suspended, right? So that's if your AdSense account will get into trouble. All the channels linked to it, they are going to feel the heat. So this means monetization can stop. There might be no revenue payouts, and in some cases, YouTube may review or they flag the channel for further action. You know what that means? So, what it's trying to say here is, if you are having multiple channels and you are connecting them to one account, it is beautiful. The idea is beautiful, of course. All right, so let's talk about real life example. All right, so imagine you have three channels: one for vlogs, another for tutorial, and one for gaming. So if one of them gets flagged for suspicious and maybe click or the normal popular reused content, and your AdSense account gets suspended, all the three channels stop any money. Hey, imagine. Hey, even if the other ones are clean, even if the other ones are innocent, they stop making you money. That's how powerful and risky one AdSense account can be when used for multiple channels. So now, segment 4, are we talking about how to protect yourself? How do you protect yourself? Here are 4 tips to stay safe. So, one, follow AdSense and YouTube policies strictly on all channels, all your channels. Make sure you're not taking people things, you're doing the right things on YouTube. Make sure you have the right guidance. You have people that have channels that are monetized and they've not been demonetized, or at a point they got demonetized, then they were able to scale through. Like me, I have a lot of things I pass through that I would share with us along the line. So also don't click your own ads or encouraging others to. Who doesn't click their ad? But at times I click my ad. There was one ad that was about flex jobs, and I was interested in a remote job because I was doing that for a friend. Well, YouTube doesn't understand all of those things we're saying. So they say avoid content reuse, fake engagement, or shortcuts. Just do it the right way. Do original stuff. If you have money, run ads. If you don't have money to run ads, then put more energy and make sure your content is one of the best out there. Your customers or your clients or your viewers will keep coming back to you. So if you are managing channel for other people, social media manager, consider using separate AdSense accounts under different verified identities. Okay, so I'm still going to share some final thoughts. So yes, one AdSense account can definitely affect multiple YouTube channels if anything goes wrong. But if you manage it wisely, it's also a powerful way to centralize your earnings, as your earnings are not everywhere. So if you found this helpful, or if as the channel as I'm talking, and if you find what I'm saying helpful to you, um, click on the like button and you can share. Just drop a comment, thank you or something. Subscribe to the channel. All right, so I want to also add some things that I've taken note of. So now you want to ask the question: what if I have my mom? She doesn't use her identity card. Can't I just open an AdSense account with her details? Can you? Yes, actually you can. But the thing is, when they make payment, maybe when you use a friend's identity, the payment goes to that person's account, and the person's forward the money to you. So if you go and forward them, maybe you have issues with your boyfriend and you want to use his details and you people broke up, your earning will be sent to him. Who knows? He might not send it to you. So just know what you're doing. All right. Because for me, I would advise that you have different channels, use different AdSense accounts. All right. You can use your mom, maybe your dad, your siblings. Let's say you have three AdSense accounts. And these days, talking about content creation, we have a lot of content out there that people are reusing. In short, you will hardly find an original content. There are original content, but what I mean is people are sharing the same information over and over again. All right. Even this information I'm sharing to you, somebody has shared it before. But the difference now is I'm saying the same thing, but I'm here on camera. I'm going to do my editing and everything. So it is not even going to be so obvious in any way that I took somebody else's content. Whose content is this that I took? It's YouTube content. They taught it in their own YouTube channel. It's there if you're not reading the policies. They already explain all of those things, what and what you shouldn't do not to affect your channel. So for me, I would advise you, if you have multiple channels, look for multiple persons that can help you verify this AdSense account so you can start receiving your money in different places. Because imagine you have one channel that you've been putting all your effort for years, and finally you started making a lot of money. Then you opened one new channel because you wanted to earn more income, and because of that channel you are putting this other channel in danger. Though YouTube support will always be there to chat you and tell you what to do and all of those, but you might not be lucky and your channel might get deleted. All right, so stay safe out there, and if you must use, don't even try it. Don't even try to use your one AdSense for another account. Don't do it at all. Don't say let's even try, let's see if they won't see. Don't do it at all. All right, if you must use different AdSense, use somebody's own. And I also hope the person in future might not want to learn a skill that requires him to use his AdSense account. Do you get all of this? So all right, so for those of you that have already given your AdSense account to somebody, you can't use it in your own. Maybe you are into um whatever activities you are into and you are being paid by Google, you can't use it anymore unless the person has to remove it so for you to use it. So that's all I'll be sharing in this one. Like I said before, if you find this video helpful, kindly click the subscribe button, the like button, share it, drop a positive comment. It's going to help the channel grow. As you can see, the channel it's a new channel growing, and let's see where we'll be for the very first 6 months. All right, bye.